Hi all, Dante here. In this video, I will update you on this 250 pip pound dollar trade I'm in, which I called here on the 10th of August, and why I think the pound dollar has at least 250 more pips to go. So let's get straight into it. So in my video from the 10th, click top right to watch that video. I called a sell limit at 13877 and placed it on my small account as well as one of my main accounts. So on the small account here, I took it with a 0.05 lot, and as you can see, I'm currently up £88 on that one, a risk to reward of 1 to 10. However, please note, this is my test account, so ignore the main risk I took on this account because it's just used for testing. However, on my main account, I took this with a 1.5 lot, so that one's up 242 pips also, and that's at $3,618 with a take profit on both accounts at 34.10. Now, when I took this trade, as you can see here, or when the trade was triggered in, price came all the way down around 90 pips or so. And most traders, what they tend to do is as soon as they're up around 50 or 60 pips, they tend to move their stop losses to break even. Now, had I done that in this case, look what would have happened. Price came all the way back up to my entry, not once, but twice. Would probably have taken me out and stopped me out for break even, but then it tanked that 242 pips and I would have missed out on that trade. So don't be too quick to move your stop losses to break even when you take a trade. Give your trade space. As long as you know what your target is, you have to let your trade play out and go for that target. I've got a target of 34.10. Why have I gone for this target? So let's take it out to the daily chart. Right, so as you can see here from the daily chart, we've got a head and shoulders forming. You've got the head here, you've got the left shoulder over here, and you've got the right shoulder over here, and you've got your neckline around here sitting around 37.84. So to work out your target when you're trading the head and shoulders pattern, you take the top of the trade, measure it down to the net line, which is around 452 pips. Then you take the measurement from the net line and you measure down 452 pips, which takes us around to 33, 32. However, as you can see, I've got my take profit slightly earlier. And why have I done that? So if you go out or zoom out a little bit, you can see you've got support line here and resistance. And if you go back, actually it's easier if we go to the weekly chart, then you take it right here. You can see you've got support here back from 2020, again in December 19 and also March 19. So the price isn't likely just to tank straight for it. It may do, however, to be on the safer side, I'd rather bank my profits at around just before it comes into the zone and start banking around 34.10, maybe 34.24. So when you take a trade, you pick your trade, you store the entry, you get that sniper entry, and then you sit back and relax and don't sort of focus too much on playing around your trades, because you end up talking yourself out of trade or just tampering with your trade. So tell me, how far do you think the pound dollar is going to fall? Please let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and please like, subscribe and click your notifications. Dante out.